everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be showing you my living room tour. I'm done decorating my living room and I can't wait for you guys to see what I did and where I put everything. And guys, I'm not completely done with the living room. I'll continue adding here pieces here and there, and I would also like to hear your suggestions, what you think I should do, what I should add, and what I should subtract. So it'll be nice to hear your feedback, but without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're going to start over here. We have this beautiful tree that I bought from Target and I really love it. I think it looks realish. And then I have this flower pot that I got from Home Depot, and I also got this moss from Amazon, and I bought this moss actually from Germany Amazon, but I'm sure I can find it on Amazon here and I'll link it up for you guys. And then moving on, over here we have these beautiful curtains. I love how they look elegant and modern. They have a nice look to them. They have a linen look to them. That's what I love. And then I got this lace from Amazon, but I got the curtains from IKEA and they were like $29. They're really affordable for the price. I've been using these curtains for a long time. I used them in Ohio and I've been using them and I love them. I don't think I'll change. And then guys, over here we have this beautiful rug that I bought from over here guys, we have this beautiful rug that I bought from Costco and it's really beautiful. I love it, and I'll put down a link for you guys. They also have it on Amazon, but I love it. It has multiple colors in it. As you can see, here's a close-up, and it works with my decor, and it also matches with the curtains as well. And then over here, this is just our TV that we got from the BX. That's antenna or something like that. And then guys, we have this beautiful TV console. Oh my god, look at that guys. I bought this from Amazon. I love how it looks. I love the pattern, and it slides, so these can slide. I don't want you guys to see the junk I have in there, but it slides, and so you can hide some junk in there and all that stuff. So I really love it, and this is how it looks. It's beautiful. And then moving here to this glass table, I bought this glass table from Amazon and I'll put the link for you guys. It's really beautiful. It's very elegant. As you can see, it looks really nice. I have these nice boxes, storage boxes that I bought from Home Goods, and I usually just keep my remote in here, and this is my phone holder. And also I have these crystal candle holders that I bought from Home Goods. I have a set of 2 and I've had them for a long time, and I just move them around. You'll see them everywhere in my decor. And then over here I have these beautiful flowers that I bought from IKEA. I've had this for a while as well, and I just move them around. I bought them in Germany from IKEA, and yeah, I love them. And then over here I have this big vase. This is a ginger jar that I bought from Home Goods, and I have a set of 2, and I love them. I've had them from a long time and they work well. You can move them anywhere. And then I have these coasters that I love, and there are 4 of them, and I got them from Target, and they look really nice. They go well with the decor. And then I have this candle fluffer. Is it fluffer, or it turns off the candle in short? And I bought it from Amazon, and I love it. It looks very stylish with the book over there, and then the book on the bottom, 100 flowers. I got that from a consignment store, and I really love how it looks. I think it marries in with the look or the theme that I was going for. And then on the bottom I just have the ginger jar topper and lid. I have the ginger jar lid, and I have this Hollywood book that I've had for years as well. And then I have this piece that I just got from Home Goods, and I think it looks nice. I love how it looks together. I'm still working on this table decor, but I love it as it looks right now. I think it will stay like this for a while. And over here guys, I have this beautiful sectional that I bought from Ashley's, and I love it guys. I didn't get the whole set. I had to get just this L shape because I'm planning on adding something here. I'm planning on adding either I'm adding a chair, or I'm going to add ottomans over here, but I'm still debating. So this is why I got the L shape, and I love it. It's really nice. It's actually the linen, the color is linen, and I love it how it looks. And then I have these pillow covers I got from Amazon, and I've had them for a long time. I have a couple of them. The insets are also from Amazon. I'm going to put in you can find them on my Amazon store, and I also put them on the link down below. But I love them. This is 24 by 24. And then over here, guys, I have this nice throw blanket, and if you can see, it's really beautiful. A good quality. It's long. It's like, I think it's 60 by 70, so it's longer than the traditional throws, which are 50 to 60. So this is really nice, and it has a good feel. It looks nice. So I just threw it over here. I'm still figuring out how to decorate a throw on a sectional. And then this is just another set of the pillow and the pillow cover as well. And then we move over here. This is just a stool that I've had for a long time. It used to have silver legs, but I painted them black, and I got this from Ross, and I've had it for a long time. And I just move it around in the house, so I thought it looked nice there. But I'm going to switch it with probably a glass table and stuff like that. And then over here, guys, we have these are the same curtains that we have there from IKEA. I have about 3 sets on each side, just to give it a full look. And then I have laces here. I have 4 laces here on each side as well. And then over here, I have this ottoman that I bought. I've had this for a long time as well. It's velvet, and I think it goes well with the decor, and it actually matches my bastures. I'm going to show you my bastures in my next video, so that you can see as I decorate that part. And yeah, it looks nice. It kind of like bounces the velvet from the bar area there. I don't know what I'll call it. The island. I mean, from the island and then to here, so it kind of bounces. So I love it, and I paid about $100. It was from Ross, and it's actually very good quality. And then I have the same pillow. This is a small one. It's a 22 by 22, and the cover is the same, the pillow cover and the insert from the same company. So guys, this is my living room. I love how everything turned out. It looks really beautiful. I think everything goes well together, the decor, the colors. So my goal was to have a clean, modern, elegant look with some soft touches over there. Over here, I don't know what to do with this wall, guys. I'm thinking of putting a painting over here, or maybe I should, I don't know. And also here, I don't know what to do here to hide those cables. So guys, if you can give me any suggestions in the comment box, that'll be great. And I also thought of putting a mirror there, but I don't know. You guys tell me what you think, and your suggestions and your advice will be highly appreciated. So guys, so here is an overview of the living room. This is how it looks. I feel like it looks really beautiful. Look at that. This is really nice. Everything just ties well together. This is the vision that I had, and I love it.